ሰላም ክቡራት ቤተሰብ እዚ ቀመር ቱቶር እዩ ቀመር ቱቶር ናይ መጀመርያ ቪድዮ ኢና ንሰርሕ ዘለና ምናልባት ፅሬት ዘይብሉ ክኾን ይኽእል እቲ ቪድዮ ግን ከም ጅማሮ ስለ ዝኾነ ግን ብናትኩም ትሁናት ርእይቶን ሓሳብን ክነመሓይሾ ክንሞክር ኢና ማለት እዩ። ስለዚ ናይ መጀመርያ ቪድዮና ስለ ዝኾነ ያው እንኳዕ ብሰላም ተራኸብና ሞራል ሃውና ኢኹም ኣበረታትዑና ኢኹም ብደንቢ ጌርና ክንሰርሕ ጀሚርና የለና ብደንቢ ጌርና ክንሰርሕ ኢና ማለት እዩ። ስለዚ እንደሞ ሓንቲ ሕቶ ሓተኩም ደልየ ተሕቶሳ ያው እንታይ እያ ትብል show that the work energy theorem is equivalent work energy theorem equivalent مخانم أريو ماد that is the work done is equals to the change in kinetic energy. So should have to prove that the equation prove it أريو مالت يو أريو نعيبنا له so work energy theorem مخانس أري the work done is equals to with the kinetic energy مخانم مرعي مالتي. okay ناي مجمرة شير ስለዚህ ናይ መጀመርያ ዝኸውን እንታይ እዩ ናይ መጀመርያ ና ስለዚ work done is equals to ኢና ንውገስ work done is equals to force times distance ኢና ንሄድ ማለት so from Newton's second law the force is what the mass of an object times the acceleration times the distance here and also we know that from uniformly accelerated motion equation would have at least 5 or 6 equations like the acceleration is equals to v final minus v initial over time الله حدا تعنت جن دليل تان أنا دليل زي distance is equals to v final square minus v initial square over twice of acceleration نوصل مع twice of acceleration زي عجيب بتعمي تدينا ما تنوزن equation بتعمي تدينا equation يا زي لازم كابزي rearrange جرنا acceleration نوت acceleration نوت خلنا acceleration is equals to v final square minus v initial square over twice of s تخلنا مات لازم now acceleration وصلنا كذا equation زي أنا تقول now acceleration so then mass times v final square minus u square over twice of s so this is s at this time distance this is displacement 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 can be cancelled by displacement then the equation will be what mass over 2 in bracket v square minus u square therefore this is distribute كنقول خلنا mass هنا mass mv square 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 mu square يكون لنا لومات mu square so إذا زين هلا distribute كنقول خلنا 1 over 2 mv square يكون لومات mv square يكون مات minus m over 2 distribute كنقول 1 over 2 mu square يكون لومات then the first is what the first will be half of mv square means kinetic energy final يكون لومات minus half of mu v initial square mat u square mat v initial square mat the kinetic energy initial يكون لومات so this is the work done now at the end work done is equals to تايخون لوماتو the kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial means the change in kinetic ኢነርጂ ማለት ሶ ዲስ ኢኩዌዥን the work done is equals to the change in kinetic energy is known as what? Work energy theorem. So